Hi everyone, I'm Akshay Kumar. I'm the product manager for BlackBerry Blend. BlackBerry Blend, as you may be aware of, is a new software that we are launching. We're introducing today with a new device, the BlackBerry Passport. Blend comes baked into this device. It is a core capability of our 10.3 operating system. What is BlackBerry Blend? So you may have read on the internet if you are, if you really are passionate about BlackBerry. But BlackBerry Blend is actually an acknowledgement of how you use your devices today. So today, your computer or your laptop is not your primary device. Your primary device is your smartphone. But the way software is built for these desktops is different. You had software like BlackBerry Link, which actually synced data between the two devices. But that really is not true anymore, right? So if your primary device is this, then why can't we just stream the data in real time to the other machine? Because the other machine is actually your accessory device now. And that's the whole idea behind Blend. Blend essentially brings applications from your BlackBerry phone onto a Windows machine, a Mac machine, an iPad, or an Android tablet. And all these will be available starting today. The way you go about the way you go about setting this up is you download a Blend client for whichever client you are accessing Blend from. So for the Mac and Windows, you can download the client from our website, blackberry.com/blend. For iPad and iOS, for iPad and Android tablets, you can do that through their respective app stores. You can search for BlackBerry Blend and you will get the app there. So once you're in, once you start the application, it asks for your BlackBerry ID, and then it will ask you to select the right phone in case you have multiple phones connected to one device. Once you're there, once you've entered that, you enter your device password. You're brought to this screen, which we call as the BlackBerry Blend dashboard. This is actually the application launcher for BlackBerry Blend. It's a smart application launcher. A good analogy would be, the start menu in Windows. Now, Windows is a platform, and it has an application launcher. Similarly, Blend is a platform. It hosts applications inside it, and so it has this launcher. Now, this launcher actually gives you a quick view of all your recent communications across your emails, BBM, and SMS. But it also shows you, what events might be there in the.
So, what are the kind of information you can access through Blend, like the hub?
Exactly. So, the different apps that will be available in Blend is your BlackBerry Hub, which is actually your unified inbox of your work emails, your personal emails, your text messages, everything inside that hub. We also support BlackBerry Messenger, your regular SMS, calendars, contacts, file manager, and work browser. Work browser and work emails are specific to certain settings. Now, if you have a BezCal associated to your phone, it is not a requirement for Blend. If you have that available, then you get access to work browser, which actually enables VPN connection to your company's network through Blend. You do not need to get your desktop set up with VPN. The moment you click the work browser, it will actually start a locally installed browser with a secured session. So right now, as you could see, it says that a secure connection established. There we go. And this session alone has that direct connection into your corporate website. If you were to start a separate connection, a separate window, it will not have that.
Okay, it says team created by BlackBerry Blend as well.
Right,
so it's
and this plugin at the top actually conveys the right message. If for some reason we are not able to establish a connection, it will display a message.
So can you just show a demo of like a message or something like that?
Yeah, let me go into BlackBerry Hub. This is your BlackBerry Hub view. I mean, there are a bunch of emails, some in draft, some are emails from my office, or my personal Gmail as well. I can go into Gmail, for example, and I can see certain emails there. If there is an attachment, it appears like that. One of the cool things is if you get an email, and you're using your phone most of the time, you want to get access to those attachments. How do you get it? Right? This was your work email. Imagine this was your work email. You could simply right-click and say "Save to your device," in which case you can actually save that attachment onto the phone itself
without touching the phone.
Right. I mean, this is basically your phone's view. You're saving that file to a specific location inside your phone. It could be maybe your media card, right? Inside the documents, and you could hit save, I will actually save the file. Or you could save to my computer, in which case you can actually save it to the desktop. If you were on an Android tablet or an iPad, and if I were to attach certain emails there, so let's say I want to attach an email. Again, on this iPad, I can straight away say, and let's say I took a picture with this phone. Let me give you a live demo for that. So I'm going to take a picture right now. That's the picture that we took. If I were to attach, and I would say that, hey, this is me sitting at my home, trying to send a picture which I took on my phone sometime in the day. I would just go to the card, I would open the camera folder, and I'll see that picture right there, and I can attach it. So again, this is me using this tablet to attach a picture.
Can we see the same picture from the Windows app as well?
It works the same way here. You would say compose, attach, and you would say from device. Media card. Since I took a picture in the camera, I can see that picture here. That's the picture that we took, which is select, and there we go.
Awesome.
That's how this thing works. Again, this is a view being rendered from the phone. There is no syncing that is really happening. Like, we don't even want it to sync. We have created a secure solution, so no data is actually sitting on this machine or on the iPad. It is being accessed from this phone in real time. Now let me actually give you some other demos. Let me go to the BBM application. The BBM app, this is BBM running on the desktop. We support all what you really love about BBM. You can start a new chat with your contacts, you can participate in a group chat, you can do multi-party chat.
And can you start the chat here and continue it on the phone?
Exactly. So let me give an example right here. So let's say I was in this test group and I wrote a test message. If I were to pick up my phone and if I were to go to my BBM application and visit the same group there, the conversations will have the same thing. If I were to add another thing, test 2 here, and hit send, it comes right there. Let's have a look at the SMS application. So this is the SMS app. With Blend, you see those SMS coming into your desktop. BlackBerry Blend basically brings all the contacts from all your accounts. These accounts could be your SIM card contacts, your Gmail contacts, your Facebook contacts, even your LinkedIn contacts. Use case or one of the most used apps by busy professionals or targeted user base is the calendar. I mean, you will typically find a BlackBerry user with a schedule. This is much worse than this, right? So managing that calendar view on that small phone is not that easy, right? Blend brings a nice big view of all your calendar entries. The file manager application is another good example. We saw this one in the file attachment process. This allows you to manage all the files across your phone. The view will be similar, so you see the same kind of view here. I'm actually browsing my phone's files on my iPad. It's not just my phone's files. If you look at it, then it's my phone's files, my SD card. I also have access to my cloud storage accounts. So if I have Box account configured there, I see the Box files here. I see my Dropbox account configured. I see my OneDrive account. One of the key benefits of Blend is that to get access to all this, you do not need to set every device up. I only set these accounts once on my passport, and only by entering my DB ID I could get access to these things or other devices. Now I can quickly drag and drop files in. So if I have to transfer any file from my desktop onto my phone's SIM card, I can simply, I can simply select that file and drag it in. Actually, maybe that file was there already. So let's take this file. As you see, it just transferred over that file. Again, we did not sync any data. This thing does not need to be on USB. Blend works over Wi-Fi, cellular, and USB. So you do not need to actually plug your phone using a USB cable. At your home, if you have a Wi-Fi connection, it will just work over that. If you leave your BlackBerry, let's say you forgot your BlackBerry at your friend's place, you reach back home, you realize, oh, my BlackBerry is sitting there. Then you can actually just fire up Blend, get access to all your BBMs, your SMS, even though that phone was not with you. And that's the power of BlackBerry Blend. It actually makes your phone, your passport to act like your primary computing device, the way you want it to.
All right. Thank you.